Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule networking reminders in Reclaim AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go to Reclaim AI. Once you're in your Reclaim AI, you can simply schedule your networking reminders by setting up email reminders within a specific scheduling link. This feature sends an automatic email notification to the attendees a set time before a meeting booked via that link, helping prevent no-shows. So, all you gotta do is simply navigate to the scheduling link, create or edit a link, and then enable the reminder setting. After you have done this, configure the reminder. Simply enable the toggle for the reminder, set the time frame, and add a custom message. After you have done this, you need to save your changes and you can simply schedule networking reminders in Reclaim.ai. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.